In this video, we'll solve a nice exponential equation by using Lambert W function. We know the Lambert W function. W is, if we have W a e to the power a, we can write this as a. So this is how Lambert W function works. We'll use this rule to find the solution of the given exponential equation. We have here t to the power t equals 10. We can apply natural log on both sides and we can write ln t to the power t equals ln 10. Since natural log means log base e can be written as ln. So we have applied this here. Then we can write t ln t equals ln 10. Since ln a to the power x can be written as x ln a. So we have applied this rule here. Next we can write ln t times t equals ln 10. Then we can write ln t times e to the power ln t equals ln 10. Since t can be expressed as e to the power ln t, we have applied this rule here. Next, if we apply Lambert W function on both sides, we can write W ln t e to the power ln t equals W ln 10. We know from Lambert W function, if we have W a e to the power a, it gives us result of a. So if we use this rule here, we have W ln t times e to the power ln t. From here we get ln t equals, and the result of W ln 10 is, result of W ln 10 is 0.918. So we can write this one as 0.918. Next, if we take e as the base for the both side, we can write e to the power ln t equals e to the power 0.918. We know that e and ln cancels each other and we get t equals, and the value of e to the power 0.918 is, e to the power 0.918 is 2.50. 2.50 approximately. So the value of t for this equation is 2.50. So this is the solution for the given equation. Now we can see from the given equation is t to the power t equals 10. So if we have t equals 1, we have 1 to the power 1 equals 1, which is not equals to 10. If we have t equals 2, we have 2 to the power 2 equals 4, which is not equals to 10. If we have t equals 3, we have 3 to the power 3 equals 27, which is also not equals 10. So the value of t should be between, the value of t should be between 3 and 2. And we got the value of t as 2.5 approximately. So this is the correct solution for the given equation. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.